This figure is showing us an example of how a chemical compound called methane, which is described by the chemical formula CH4, is made. Now before we go into detail, let's think about the ratios present in this chemical formula. There's a carbon joined with 4 hydrogens. Why would this formula make sense? If you go back and look at the periodic table, you'll note that carbon needs to gain 4 additional electrons in order to achieve stability, while each hydrogen needs to gain 1. So therefore it should make sense that the ratio of carbon and hydrogen in this compound should be CH4. If we go back and look at the carbon atom, we see that carbon has the 6 electrons. We said it needs to achieve, for stability, 10 electrons, and that each hydrogen has 1 electron that it could share with carbon, while carbon shared 1 of its electrons with each hydrogen. That leads to the formation of the formula CH4, methane, which we have a carbon that is joined by single covalent bonds to each of 4 hydrogens. So as I indicated in an earlier figure, we could also represent this as putting the symbol for carbon C with 4 lines coming out from it joined on to hydrogen atoms. Each of these lines represents a single covalent bond. Again, the electrons are being shared between the carbon and the hydrogens in order to achieve stability.